Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Nnamdi Kanu sues DG of Nigerian Intelligence Agency over how he was treated in Kenya. Nnamdi Kanu sues DG of Nigerian Intelligence Agency over how he was treated in Kenya. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Hypo, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has filed a lawsuit against the Director General of the Nigerian Intelligence Agency to the tune of 20 billion naira over how he was treated by the agency and its agents when he was arrested in Kenya. Sahara Reporter states that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, sued the Director General of the National Intelligence Agency, NIA, Ahmed Rufai Abubakar, over his reported role in the 8 days of his forced imprisonment in Kenya. Recall that Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in Kenya and brought to Nigeria to face criminal charges, including treasonable felony, and has been held in custody of the DSS. The suit which Nnamdi Kanu filed was filed at the Abia State High Court in Umuahia. In the suit, Kanu is seeking, among others, 20 billion naira in compensation for general and exemplary damages for the violation of his rights by the agency. Speaking to Sahara Reporters, Kanu's special counsel Aloy Ejimako, who filed the suit on Wednesday, said that there is some newly discovered evidence which implicates Mr. Abubakar beyond the infamous extraordinary rendition, and that the new evidence prompted the lawsuit. The legal practitioner said that of all the several suits that have emanated from the rendition of Nnamdi Kanu, the newly filed suit is the first against Ahmed Abubakar, either in his personal or official capacity. The originating process, made available to the media, indicated that the false imprisonment of Nnamdi Kanu, who is the claimant in the matter, was without his consent, adding that the Kenyan government has publicly and categorically denied any role in the arrest and imprisonment of the claimant in Kenya. Counsel to Nnamdi Kanu went on to cite the judgment of the Federal High Court of October 26, 2022, in a fundamental rights suit brought by the same claimant against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and others, which had ruled that the manner of arrest and detention of the applicant in Kenya, his continued detention in Abuja, his subjection to physical and mental trauma by the respondent, the inhuman and degrading treatment meted out to the applicant amount to a brazen violation of the applicant's fundamental right to dignity of his person and threat to life under Section 34, 1A of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The suit further stated that by virtue of his public office, the Director General has a public duty to act in a good faith, not to abuse his public office, and to ensure that the arrest and imprisonment of the Mr. Kanu in Kenya was conducted in line with the law. According to the process, by falsely arresting and imprisoning the claimant in Kenya, the defendant breached his statutory duty requiring him to arrest and or imprison the claimant in Kenya only in accordance with the law. Furthermore, in the suit, Kanu went on to seek several reliefs from the court, including a declaration of this honorable court that the defendant's arrest by the claimant and his imprisonment of the claimant at said location in Nairobi, Kenya false amounted to false arrest and false imprisonment. An order of this honorable court directing the defendants to pay to the claimant the sum of 20 billion naira only, being general and exemplary damages. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has filed a lawsuit against the Director General of the Nigerian Intelligence Agency to the tune of 20 billion naira over how he was treated by the agency and its agent when he was arrested in Kenya. Now, to my dear listeners, come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.